Hey lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time tuning in, welcome my love, and my name is Tidi. But if you've been my day one, my regular, whoa, I love you so much, and thank you for the support. As you guys can tell by the caption, guys, or the title rather, we are vlogging today, and it's Saturday the 21st, so it's Saturday morning, right before 12, I think. Okay, it's half past 11, and I cannot say I just woke up, but I literally just came out of the shower. So today I decided to just spend the day with you guys because I'm not working. This is actually the first Saturday where I'm not working, also because next week. So yes, today I'm having a very chill Saturday. I'm not planning to go anywhere. I just want to have a wholesome Saturday. Also, it's cold in Bloemfontein. Hey, how about the Bloemfontein, guys? So I just quickly want to go to the mall and get some few things for the house, and then from there on, guys, we will probably cook together and do all other things together today. Hari Saturday. Guys, and I'm literally wearing pajamas. Like I can say before I am literally still wearing pajamas, but I took most pair encha and then to go deep. So the plan is for people not to see that I'm actually wearing pajamas underneath, guys. I'm not about to change for Molly Felamo. It's like in your coat too. Like you can say and I'm going to the mall just like this. So yes, guys, I'll see you on the other side. Please tune in. Alright, loves, so this is how we look. How jumpy silala. Guys, can you talk about how expensive everything is? Literally, I bought this 2-3 things and do not expect to get less than 1,000 rand. I can't. Sana. Hey guys, so I am back, so I'm just going to unpack whatever I had bought with you. But I can't man. Like I literally just bought especially from Checkers, mostly veggies. Nothing major. And then pepper, guys. Hey, one thing about pepper in a okay, definitely like Pepper has that thing, guys. So I went to Pepper and this is what I bought. Ask me why I bought this. I bought this flowers there, the artificial flowers. This is how they look. I'm not sure, like my camera it will focus on. Ooh, CD. Okay. So this is how each flower looks like. It's like this part is plastic, ne? And then each went for 30. Where's our focus? Yeah, each went for 34. So I bought like 34. Also because this thing had flower every day when now I lose it. I don't think like lady flowers thing that I only have one plant a pillar. So I bought this 4 artificial flowers, and I think I got this vase. So I got a vase on been taking a loan, guys. So I'm not sure where am I gonna put these flowers though. I will show you guys. For now, let me just put them here. Not bad, but I will just figure out who the bear guy. But yeah, anyway, those are the flowers I bought. And also, what did I get? Okay, these are paper towels. My thing. Towel so I just bought 2 paper towels. Oh, Rafael, really bad. Alright, so here we go. And then guys, yeah, and then why I also bought plates. Yo, guys, I know Rata the plate is let me show you. I know most of us really like white plates. I'm tired because the plate is white. So I bought this plate. I'm not sure the color AKA, but they have like a bronze lining. Yeah, so you wanna feel like it's literally like and I think each one came 40 man. 40, so they're not even that expensive. It's not that I'm motivated. I'm gonna keep up here today. I was not gonna cook, so here are my plates. Ooh, girl. So here are the plates. I'm so excited about these plates. Next time, is a thing. So yeah, pep monana. Pep is the hand. She made this point. Yeah. So these are the plates I bought, and I'm gonna cook. Hey, ain't no effing ways. So yes, I'm gonna cook, and like I said, we're gonna spend this Saturday together, bonding as a family. So yeah, these are the plates. I'm still thinking of where am I gonna place the artificial flowers. I also have like a smaller artificial flower or plant. I have this, so I do not know if maybe Kigenta this like I'm not sure if how are they gonna look like. So let's try it together. If it does not work, it doesn't work. If it works, yay. Okay, I didn't want to buy like one color, but this two actually I think this is cute. But this is yellow and then this is white, so I didn't just want to buy like one color and it don't jump pieces of the artificial. So I'm still struggling to find where am I gonna like place all this, because definitely they won't be here. Maybe I'll try on the other side, but for now here, somewhere here. Let's see. Alright guys, so I am going to cook. What am I gonna have today? I think so maybe rice and stew. Maybe rice and stew, and then side but I'll be with you very late at night. I have time. Where? Guys, I even forgot to show you this tray or rack. So I also bought this tray bathroom. You know, sometimes I want to sip on my wine. So I bought this bath tapping where you can have your things here. So I also bought this. I think it was 140 or 150, and then I also got this as well. I wanted this books on the dressing table. Yeah, and I've also learned that you can use them as a storage as well. Like you can store your earrings, jewelries, I have 2 of these, and in fashion. So I will show you the two that I have, and I really like them, guys. They are very cute. They are very cute. So these ones are written Cape Town. So I usually put them on my dressing table because they look so cute, and I also like the fact that storage is nice. So yeah, I also bought that, and then alright, then we can cook. So this is how I prefer to look at thing on the table. So yeah, the other one is written Cape Town, the other one is on this side, but it's Cape Town as well, and then this one is fashion. Guys, Christian Dior, Sabo, Doji and Gabbana. Like I cannot tell but for now this is what we are working with. So let us cook, let us eat, let us spend some quality time together as a family. Hey guys, so this is where I decided to place it, and I think it's perfect more. So this is where I used to put my gas heater. So it is the heater, and then more. So yeah, I think it's perfect though. I think more made it thing, it is perfectly fine. So yeah, here we go. Cute. Okay guys, so here are our veggies. Obviously spinach. So spinach is around here, and then there we have the spices more. But yeah, anyway, this is our spinach and our spices. So here we're gonna have our steak, and guys, and then after a couple of minutes, that's okay guys. So boil steak this side. So I made my own marinade. I used tomato sauce and peri peri powder, and then I also used this hot 6-gun egg and fashioning, and then beef stock chopa kamo be like powder like, and then beke transfer steak isaka kamo. So now I am just waiting for everything for a marinade sharp. So I also used red wine. I also used the dry red to kick up and tail like my marinade. So yeah guys, I'm still not done. That I still have to soak. And then after all of this, these things oven. So right now I'm just waiting for my oven to preheat. Then after that, ziyasha. So guys, this is how our steak looks like. At this point I think this steak is well done, but I have also like prepared something on the side to ensure that guys. I've prepared a gravy, since I'm gonna have everything with rice. But yeah, we are done with this side. Let me finish up my spinach and the gravy. So this side, remember prepare the marinade steak thing. So I have just added coriander spice, and I have also added a bit of tomato sauce still, and then white pepper and salt. So I'm going to transfer all of these to the veggies at this side. So more I have like carrots, and then green pepper and onions. So remember over this side, it is where I was boiling my steak. So I'm combining all of these along with this to just ensure that the steak is a kasahami. So it's a gravy for the steak. So this is our final product this side, guys. So yeah. Okay, so I should be dishing up now. Okay, lovies, so this side we are having our spinach. I also transferred my spinach into a cooking pan. So the only thing I've added ke aromat, and I've also added a bit of mushroom sauce and then butter. I give it a little on guys will be creamy, like, but the spinach is almost traditional, but yeah. So that's all I've added this side, and yeah, I think I'll be dishing up in no time. Guys, so here is our final product, and yeah, so guys, dishes are gonna get to here. I just could not wait to use my plate. And then here I am having actually it's brutal fruit ember. No, it's benini ember. Yeah, I'm having benini ember, and then these are my food, and yeah, it's exactly 20 past 5 in the evening. Thank you guys for tuning in and spending a Saturday with me. So yeah, let's dig in and indulge. Well, this is your rag. I told you I have bigger plans for this rag. So this is the rag we got earlier on, and it looks so cutesy, so demure. Anyway, I am taking a bath, as you guys can see, and I'm going to share some great news with you when I'm done bathing. So guys, because wow, lit this side. Hey my lovings, so we are done, guys. We are done bathing. I just came out of the bathtub. I know you do not believe that, right? I did not wash my face. Like, that's why I still have my brows. But I came out of the bathtub, and I was so excited to share this news with you. You remember on my last vlog, I think it is the one I put up on Thursday, I did say to you we are at 90. Did I say we're at 90 or 91? I think I said something along those lines, but we're at 91 subscribers. And I said to you, by the time I upload another vlog, we will already be on 100 subs. I was just saying it, guys, like, you know, when something let me just put it out there so that if it happens, whatever, the universe speaking something into existence vibe. So that is just me being me, saying by the time we upload another vlog, hopefully we'll be on 100 subs. I was just, you know, saying it with my tongue. Sana, so today I was at 91 subs. When we woke up in the morning, like when I shot this vlog, when I opened the vlog today, we were still at 91 2 days later. I did not pay attention into that. Also, I was not bothered. I mean, my YouTube, guys, is still so new. Like, I think we are 2 weeks in now. So I was not bothered at all. And then after cooking today, I decided to, I've been trying to upload a story time since yesterday. Yesterday was a Friday. So I've been trying to upload a story time since yesterday. As you know, when I'm in the weather in Bloemfontein is not to do so. Story time is to upload. I don't know what challenge again. So I'm checking that on my YouTube. I heck, it's 128 subs. Guys, please understand that when I opened this app earlier on Hanekibula vlog, we were at 91, and I was not bothered. Like, I'm one person who's very patient, and also because we are still new into this YouTube thingy, like, I did not really care that much that we are at 91, but I did see we 91. And a couple of hours later, we are at 128. So which means we have gained how many followers? 28 plus 9, that gives us 37. So 37 subscribers in like a couple of hours. Yeah. I'm so excited. I am so happy, guys. Like, I'm sitting here and I'm like, yo, you've been showing me so much love. Guys, so now I can confidently say we are on the road to 200 subbies. Guys, I'm not even 3 weeks into YouTube, but you guys are already doing the most. Also, I've heard from my friends who are YouTubers that it does take some time for you to clock body 100, body 300, body like a K in on YouTube. But you guys have been always showing me love, and I really appreciate that. You do not know how happy I am. Also, I'm very humble. I did not expect that you will receive my content so well. Also, guys, so I never expected you guys to be engaging in my content like this. And I've also been receiving weekly analysis. Yeah, so I've been receiving like positive weekly analysis, and so I'm very happy, guys. And as a result, we are going to toast to 200 subbies, and we are on the road to 200 subscribers. Clink clink. Clink clink. I'm so excited, guys. You do not know. So I think I'm also gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for spending my Saturday with me, lovies. I really enjoyed shooting content for you today. And please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It's already late at night. It's past 8. So I meant it, Hanekere. We are going to spend like the whole Saturday together. Okay, so right now I think I'm just gonna watch something on Showmax or go Netflix, and then I'm gonna go straight to bed. I love you guys so much, and stay blessed.